This video will cover the replacement of a shifter linkage on a 1993 Volvo 240 AW70. This can be completed over lunch. Raise the front of your car with jacks or ramps. Make sure that the parking brake is on and that the car cannot move. Getting squashed by your own car as it rolls down the ramps after you move the shifter from park to neutral would just be an anticlimactic testimony at the pearly gates. The shifter linkage on this 1993 was extremely rusted and broken, so I had to cut off the remaining pieces. But you should start by disconnecting the lever at the front driver's side of the transmission, and then the connection at the rear driver's side of the transmission. Install new bushing on the front lever. This will be easier if you disconnect and remove the lever from the transmission itself. Note that the bracket has a curved side, which you want to bend away from the transmission housing, otherwise it will not shift. And install a bushing on the rear shifter connection. Without these bushings, there will be some excess play in the linkage. Take the front end of your new shifter linkage and push it through the top bushing from the transmission side. Fit the new washer and install the retention clip. Moving to the back connection, push the pin through the bushing and secure it with the clip. Double check that the transmission and shifter are corresponding to the same gears before, and after that you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.